Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include a circa 1940s wax over composition 14-inch character doll. It has a shoulder head, inset glass eyes, 4 upper sculpted and painted teeth, and 4 lower sculpted and painted teeth. It has sculpted curls and is an adorable boy dressed in period-appropriate clothing. Early Reborn dolls made in Athens, Greece in 2001 feature a boy and a girl. They are fraternal twins. Both have inset acrylic eyes, ethnically correct facial features, and latex tongues. They are weighted to feel like a real baby and weigh approximately 4 pounds each. And they are 18 inches tall. United States Postal Service postage stamp dolls that replicate Ella Smith's indestructible Alabama baby and Martha Chase's Stockinet doll are in the third installation this week. They have inset acrylic eyes, and the girl has looped yarn hair, while the boy's hair is painted black. They are approximately 22 inches tall, with porcelain heads and cloth bodies and stiffened arms, legs, hands, and feet. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.